Okay. Talking about this catfish, right? This um, ah, me watching this catfish, I just remember something because I had some dreams some times ago that my husband bought this size of catfish, like exactly the head like this. So I cooked the catfish and okay, you see all this long thing. I don't know how to call it. Too. Pardon me, I'm the one that got it. So I tried to remove it out of the catfish, the thing wasn't coming out, and the same thing that happened to this one. I tried to remove the thing, it was too strong, so I have to use knife. I have to use knife to cut it. So I now cut it, out. So in that dream now, we tried eating the catfish, not knowing that the catfish has some hook inside of it. So and I told my husband about this catfish. I said this catfish is too big. My mind is kind of telling me, Daisy, you understand what I'm trying to say? Is this really catfish, or kind of like, is it not human being that just talk like this? So my husband was like, what are you trying to say? What are you trying to talk now? So I cooked the catfish and I said, let my husband come and test it first. And he refused. And what happened? I was like, what? Okay, my husband is the kind of person like he doesn't like food. He doesn't like food. Whenever I want him to eat, I force him to eat. I force him to eat food because he doesn't like food like that. So I was like, babe, you brought this fish for us. I cook it. I say you should eat, and you don't want to eat it. If it were to be you, will you eat it? Don't worry. So I brought it out, and after, okay, when I asked him to eat, he refused to eat. Me and my kids. Okay, the last one is not yet big. That one is just 4 months old. Me and my first child, she's 3 years plus. We ate the catfish on our way. Is it on our way? Anyhow, take her like that. So as we were eating it, we now found the hook inside. Say, babe, look! I nearly swallowed the hook, and now the catfish is here for me to cook it. So I want to cook. I'm kind of scared, but don't worry, I will cook it. I will eat it, and nothing will happen. Nothing. If you were to be one, will you eat it? Like, if now you want to cook this catfish now and you had a dream about, just a mysterious dream about it, will you eat it? Will you? You go eat them? Ha! Like, I'm kind of scared, but I'm not scared. I will eat it definitely, and nothing will happen. It's too big, like it's big. It's big. I want to make it. I just want to prepare it and take some portion of food to my daughter, because I did not give him food because I did not give her food in the morning. So I want to use it and prepare catfish pepper soup with the rice and then give her. And we will eat it. Join us. Will it be tasty? That's funny. This is so huge, you know. This is the head. Imagine when you see the whole body, like the body. How will it look like? So big. But don't worry, we're gonna eat it. Let me know what you think about this. You had a mysterious dream about catfish, this same size, and it was your husband that brought it, and you cook it, he refused not to eat, and now the catfish is here, exactly the same size, and you're about to cook it, and your husband is not awesome because he have left for work already. Will you eat it? Will you eat it? Thank you for watching. My name is Gina, grow with Gina. This is my life, this is my life. So thank you, welcome to the family. Do not forget to subscribe for more, because I like fun. I like keeping memories too. I like it. This is me, my life. Okay, thank you for watching. This is my morning face, so I've not bathed, I've not brushed, I've not washed my face, nothing. I'm just in the kitchen. After taking my baby to the school, I'm just here cooking, and my mind just got straight to this catfish of a thing, the dream I had about it. It should be like 1 month or 2 months plus now that I've had that dream, and it's about to come to reality. It is in reality now. Let's see what comes out of it. Thank you. Washing my hands.